Welcome to Learnifer.
Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn about CVC words of short sound N. W and van. Say it. W and van. This is a van. B and ban. Say it. B and ban. It is ban. M and man. Say it. M and man. He is a man. R and ran. Say it. R and ran. He ran. F and fan. Say it. F and fan. It is a fan. K and can. K and can. It is a can. P and pan. Say it. P and pan. This is a pan. Let's read it together. T and tan. B and ban. M and man. R and ran. N and nan. V and van. F and fan. P and pan. L and lan. K and can. Let's read the sentences now. A man in the van. Let's read it together. A man in the van. A man has a pan. Let's read it together. A man has a pan.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.